Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is April the 28th. Happy Friday to you. In today's video, I'm going to be doing 3 different sets of seeds. A little bit of a backstory. I had started off on several occasions some of these seeds right here, and I have a funny feeling the seeds may have gotten wet and then dried again, and because none of them have worked. I tried it in little baggies that I'm going to try today. I've also put them into the little pods like this. I had put a bunch of them in a little container like this with a top on it to try to keep the moisture level really high. Absolutely no germination on these seeds, so I think the whole batch of seeds were bad. Anyway, I went to the store yesterday, absolutely cannot find green pepper seeds. The only thing I could find were these, so we're going to try these off. Cauliflower and a little bit of cabbage. And for these two here, the cauliflower and the cabbage, I'm really at the end of the timeline where you can actually have product growing that you can yield at the end of the summer. So we'll see what happens with these. So what I'm going to do, you've seen me do this before, I'm just going to open all these up and then I'm going to lay the seeds out, I'm going to fold them up and then we'll bag them up and then we'll finish off the video. So I've got all the seeds laid out. These ones here, the pepper seeds, they're so easy. They have some kind of little coating on all of the seeds. So these are the pepper seeds, cauliflower, super small, and also the cabbage, super small. And if you mix these together, you would have no clue which ones are which because they look exactly the same and they're the same size. So anyway, that's pretty good for that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to fold this over. And I'm going to try to keep away from the crease, just like that. And we'll just go, so don't, yeah, that's good like that. And then this one here, make sure I'm on camera, yes. And then fold it over, just like that. So I'll get these into these little baggies and then I'll come back. So I've got all of the seeds in my little bags. You want to make sure that you lock all of your bags into place like this, and if you do see anything where your little paper is drying up, make sure you grab a little bit of water and just get that water onto those little bags. They cannot dry out. If they dry out, then you're not going to have success. So anyway, I'm going to end off the video here. So we've got the cabbage, cauliflower, and the peppers. So hopefully we're going to see some good progress in the next couple of days. So that's it for this really fast video. When I have some progress, I will come back and show you what's happening. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.